Another Apple product. It's time to get to work.
Show me what you got, hey, show me what you got, hey.
What's up, everybody? It's your man Calico, the True Reviews, and I'm back in the building with another video. And today, I got the Airpods MAX 2, all right, in the building. All right, so this is the Airpods MAX 2. It comes with the AirPods MAX Smart Case. Also, it is USB-C charging. So these are, I guess you would say, like the second generation, since these are number 2. Yeah, as you see, I got the black color, all right, the midnight black. I'll let you guys take a look at some of the sides of the box. It says AirPods MAX on the front, on the top, I mean. On the side, we got some Apple branding. On the other side, we got some more Apple branding. On the back, nothing, just a few little letters there. Got some of your warranty information, serial numbers, things like that. And these things have the same pull tabs as the iPhones. So you're getting just straight pull tabs. All right. Let me read off some specs to you guys real quick. And just so you guys know, here goes some specs for the AirPods 2 Max. Charging, of course, it has USB-C charging. They saying that these have custom built drivers for low distortion, ear cushions for frequency adjustment, and 9 microphones, active noise cancellation, available in higher levels. We're gonna test them out. Plus, it has a transparency mode, head motion tracking, built-in gyroscopes, and accelerometers work with iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV. The colors coming available in blue, midnight black, orange, purple, and starlight tan, all right? And then also they're saying that the battery life is up to 20 hours of listening time, talk time, or movie playback on a single charge. The charge time, they're saying 5 minutes of charge time provides around 1.5 hours of listening time. And also they have audio technology, includes spatial audio, adaptive EQ, conversational boost. So I'm guessing whenever you're on the phone, I guess you can boost your conversations, whatever you may have on the phone with whoever you may be speaking to. And it also says there's ultra wideband connectivity, the H2 chip for improved computational audio, better battery life, and personalized audio. All right, and through the patent, it says a patent indicates improved ANC, which is active noise cancellation, and sound through the detection and mitigation of distracting audio feedback, all right? So I'm not really a big fan of these AirPods Max. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, man. And also the price for these, $549.99, all right? $549.99, all right? $549.99. Also with tax, for me, because I went straight to the Apple Store and bought mine. Okay, so with taxes and everything, I paid at the Apple Store with my Apple card. It came up to $581.94, all right? So I'm not too happy about that price, but we're gonna definitely go ahead and unbox these. I know that some of y'all been waiting on these. Shout out to my man Slaughter Call, man. I know he been trying to get a review of these. So we're gonna check them out, man, see if they worth it or not, all right? So let's go ahead and and unbox these. All right, guys, so the AirPods MAX 2, all right? So go ahead and pull one tab here. This is one tab, boom. See, it has a green arrow there. Pull that, all right. And now, go ahead and lift the box here. Boom, all right. So you're presented with the AirPods MAX 2 in look like a regular case, I guess. It's like a plasticky case, but let's go and take them out the box here. Okay, it has some type of plastic on it. All right, some plastic around this case here. It's like almost like a leather case, but I can tell this thing's gonna get beat up to death. This case in general is just gonna get real beat up, but it's decent. It's not all that great. Also has some stuff in the box. It says designed by Apple in California there. and also has a USB-C to USB-C charger cord. And let's see if they put any Apple stickers in here. Nope. Just all your Apple branded warranty and safety information just to use. So we're gonna go ahead and put that back in the box there. What we're really focused on right now is the AirPods Max 2. Okay, so these have like some type of, I guess, paper cups over them. Okay. So as you see, the AirPods Max 2, they look all right. They look like kind of like that computer chair fabric that be on computer chairs right here. Like it just looks real cheap, if I must say so. It looks really cheap. And around the sides here, it just has like, I don't know, man. Like, they don't really look midnight black. They look kind of like, if you kind of move them in the light, look kind of like a little, I don't know, maybe I might be colorblind or something. I mean, it looks a little navy bluish or something. But let's try them on my head real quick. Let's see how they look. I'm such a noob. It has right on the inside of the cups here. Right and left. On the inside, it's stitched on the inside, so you'll actually know which one is left and which one's right. All right, so let's try them on. All right, they feel pretty good. I mean, you can tell they got some good suction on them, and that right now, like I'm actually talking a little bit louder because the ear cups actually feel very suctioned upon my ears, if that's the correct terminology. Let's see. All right, let's see if I can see how fast these things pair to my iPhone here. Let's see. Okay, all right. So I just had to hold down the button on the side of the actual ear cups to make it actually connect. So I'm going to connect. See how fast. Okay, so it's connected that fast to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It is connected that fast to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. All right, so the noise, this is the noise button here. That's the crown media control. Okay, and adjust the volume. All right, and we can skip all that. The control center, of course, you can control your volume and your additional noise cancellation and transparency. All right, we're gonna skip that for now. We wanna get to the meaty part of the actual video. We want to see how good these things sound. All right, so let's see what I was listening to, man. I was listening to some PSC, some Rico with PSC, Young Dro, and T.I. Let's listen to that real quick. Let's see how that sounds. Let me tell y'all something. These things, they sound good at first, but I don't know, man, that could just be coming off as, just for this song in general. But let's skip along the song just to see if it's really gonna sound, huh?
Need a song with some bass.
Yeah, I want to see how it sounds actually with the bass and actually hear some hard knocking song. Let me see. Can you hear anything?
Yeah, very loud.
What you think is a good song to listen to like a good bass song? What you think?
Mo3.
Huh?
Mo3 Outside.
Okay, so bass said Mo 3 outside. So we're gonna try that. Is this the one? Okay, it's some nice bass on it. Nice bass. I think I think it has some good bass. Um, the mids are okay. I think the highs aren't really that great to me. I mean, and I'm not really a good audiophile, so I couldn't really tell you like if that's like a good thing or a bad thing. But honestly, like these aren't really like God tier, like what I would consider like super God tier, like like on the Sony side or like beats. You know what I'm saying? Like real studio beats. Like these are okay. You know what I'm saying? Like, but I think the price is a little bit too high. They need to cut it. All right, they need to cut it because that price is definitely not that great. All right, but let me go ahead and wrap this up for my final thoughts, y'all. All right, guys. So with that being said, I just listened to the same song with my wife's Beats. What are these like the Beats Studio?
Studio Pro.
These are the Beats Studio Pro, and these
400.
these are $400 headphones versus $589 headphones. So what I gathered from this, my wife said it was a lot of headphone bleed coming from these, from the AirPods Pro, excuse me, from the AirPods Max 2. So from the Beats Studio Pro, these sounded a lot more better. Like you can hear the highs, the lows, the mids a little bit more better. It's just sounded a lot more cohesive. Like when you actually sit down, nobody can actually hear what you're listening to. With these, somebody's gonna be able to hear what you're listening to, especially on a plane, and it might be disturbing somebody. Even though these things have active noise cancellation, I think that they still have a ways to go as far as like innovation. And plus, I just don't really like the design of it. Like it just, I don't know, like something about the design to me just yells to me like flimsy. Like, I mean, they're built well, but I just feel like I'm gonna end up breaking these things, man. And honestly, I mean, like, yeah, they got a nice little flex on them, but I'm not really feeling the AirPods Max 2. I mean, especially for the price. The price is what's killing me right now because don't get me wrong, like even the cases side by side, the Beat Studio Pro have a nice soft shell case. You know what I mean? Like you can carry this on vacation. You know what I'm saying? Like you won't have a problem with these. All right. These just look like a plastic bra. You know what I'm saying, for your headphones. Excuse my language, but it just does. Okay. It looks like a plastic bra that you got for your headphones. And Apple, I mean, don't get me wrong. I love Apple products. You know what I'm saying? I love Samsung products. I love all tech related products, but I just got to keep it 100% real. I think that these just aren't my speed. Don't get me wrong. I see everybody, it seems like a fashion trend. I see everybody around wearing these and they just don't really suit me. You know what I mean? So, can I recommend these to other people? I mean, like, honestly, no. I don't think that I would recommend these to anybody because I just don't like the headphone bleed because people can hear what you're listening to and it's just, not really cool. Even if you crank up the actual, volume on these, you're gonna actually be able to hear what the next person is. They're gonna actually be able to hear what you're listening to. So, with that being said, am I gonna keep these? Nah, I'm not gonna keep these. So, with that being said, man, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Drop a like if you did enjoy it. And I do appreciate each and every one of you guys for stopping through on the video. I was honestly going into it with with an open mind. I was thinking that, you know what, maybe these things were gonna blow me away and I was gonna keep them. But unfortunately, I wasn't wild. And excuse me a little bit because I'm still under the weather, you guys. I've been sneezing and coughing. I'm surprised I haven't really coughed at all on this video. I did take some sinus and nasal medicine before this video, but I'm happy that you guys did stop in on my video. Please drop a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. And this again, and this again has been your man Calico the Truth Reviews. You guys take care of yourselves and each other, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. Deuces.